Sehri time. It's 3:45 a.m. Uh, Let me wake up. Ramzan, and I think आज 27th रोज़ा है, if I'm not mistaken. That's right. Yes, of course I'm very sleepy, guys, but क्या करें, सहरी करना है तो सुबह उठना ही पड़ेगा, and that too at weird hour, 4 o'clock in the morning, like 3:45, 4 o'clock in the morning. Gotta get up and then have little bit whatever you can. Though I hate to get up at this time, but what to do. सहरी ज़रूरी है जब आपको रोज़ा रखना है तो, और फिर नियत करनी पड़ती है. So I'm gonna get up, go to the washroom, get fresh, brush my teeth, and see you at the dinner. Sorry, Sehri table. You know, I hate this light when I have to come to brush my teeth and I switch on this light. I hate it, really, really. It's just really irritating, you know that? I hate this light. It irritates, when you're sleepy. बहुत irritate करती है, seriously. Alright, so guys, मैं फ्रेश हो गया हूँ, ब्रश भी कर लिया है, और आप पीछे देख रहे हैं इट्स 4:25 AM. तो मुझे जल्दी से 5 या 7 मिनट में फटाफट से खाना है, बिकॉज सहरी का एक वक्त होता है, मतलब उस वक्त के आगे आप नहीं खा सकते. सो आई थिंक टुडेज टाइम इज अराउंड 4:30, 32 समथिंग, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम इट चेंजेस ड्यू टू सनराइज एंड सनसेट टाइमिंग्स एक्सेट्रा. सो कैच यू एट द सहरी टेबल. ऑलराइट, तो आज मैं सहरी के लिए यहाँ पे ब्रेड और ऑमलेट खाने वाला हूँ, और उसके साथ में कुछ डेट्स हैं यहाँ पे, और उसके साथ में आई हैव दिस एज वेल, बिकॉज आई फील सहरी इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मील. वो इसलिए बिकॉज इसके बाद में मैं खा पाऊँगा 7:12 को. अगर आप देखेंगे इतना दरमियान, तो आई थिंक इट्स अराउंड 12-13 और अराउंड 14 hours of fasting, no water, nothing else. Okay, can go inside. So the sehri has to be really proteination and really healthy, so that you can hold for the entire day of the fasting. So take care. Right, hello people. It's 5:15 AM and I'm here with the Janamaz. This piece of cloth is called as Janamaz, on which we offer namaz. So I'm going to be offering the first namaz of the day, which is the Fajr namaz, which you offer after the sehri. And after offering, I'm gonna pray for everyone, and then maybe I'll sit on the laptop for some time and then go catch up with sleep. I haven't slept the entire night, so see you soon. Alright, hi guys, it's 2 PM and yes, I've woken up and time to do some work on my laptop. Yeah. So I met you last time when I was offering namaz in the morning. That was around 5:15 AM. So I completed my prayers and then I started working on my laptop for some time. And then after that, I tried sleeping a little bit, but I couldn't sleep. So I was just rolling on the bed, and then yes, I did catch up with some sleep. Then I got up in between a little bit. Then again I slept again. So now I'm like, I'm out of the bed finally, because I've got some stuff to do on my laptop. And yes, cravings do happen whenever you are offering a roza or a fast you're doing. So you do feel thirsty, because you're a human being, so you are bound to feel thirsty about. So you feel thirsty, you feel sometimes, I do face less of energy, and I do face that, inside how you feel, you get that kind of a feeling that it's empty, there's nothing inside. Then your throat also dries up, so, and your mouth dries up, your tongue dries up. So those are the things which you follow. Alright, I'm gonna catch you around evening, before the iftar time. Take care. I know I look a little different because my beard is gone because I was spotting it from a long time. So then I decided to give a trim. So I'm back with the Jan namaz again. It's time for me to offer my Zohar namaz, which is the afternoon prayer. And then we're going to have one more prayer, which is going to be before sunset. And then after sunset, we're going to break the fast. Okay, so I'm going to update you. Be with me. Alright, hello people. I told you that I shaved, right? That's the reason my look has changed. It's looking better. Yeah, right. Okay. So if you see the time behind, if you see that clock, it's 7:05 p.m. right? And 7:04 p.m. actually. And there are 6-7 minutes more to go for the iftar, which is basically the meal which you take after breaking your fast. So I'm gonna actually show you what all is here. If you see, this is lassi, then this is date, this is some buttermilk, and these are the dates obviously right here. Okay, all right, and then some water, Ching Secret, which is Szechuan ketchup, which is my favorite, and then rose syrup here, and there are a couple of more things which are here. And yes, in 5-6 minutes we're gonna break the fast, and I'm damn hungry and damn thirsty, so just wait. Yes, so 5 minutes are still left, and in the kitchen you can see out here, these are bhajias which are being fried. This is the material which is over here. Okay, but my favorite is watermelon, so obviously I break the fast with watermelon, then I go for the bhajias because watermelon helps to hold my thirst. I am damn hungry and damn thirsty. Okay. So generally every day the timings are given to us. There is a Ramzan calendar card which is basically provided at the start of the month, which is basically based on the lunar calendar, which also sunrise, sunset, basically everything. But still, to be on the safer side, we always wait for the azan. As soon as we hear the Maghrib azan, which is the sunset azan, and then we break the fast with the date and then go on to other things. So 3-4 minutes is still left, so I'm gonna say goodbye to you because I gotta go back for the some recitation and some prayer, which we basically do at the Sakhan, which you rightly saw it out here. Bye bye.